everybody, it's Kelly, and I am back with another 2-page layout today and another birthday layout. I think I did 3 birthday layouts in the course of a couple of days. My grandson and I have a birthday that's very close, and his great-grandmother's birthday is, so it's her birthday, his birthday, and my birthday, and they're all in about a 3-week time period. So pretty quick. Anyway, I am going to do a double-page layout here today. I'll start with that red background because I had 2 sheets of that but only 1 sheet of the star background. I probably would have done this a little bit different if I had 2 sheets of the star, but I didn't. So I cut the star paper in half. That paper is from Echo Park, A Birthday Boy Wish. It's the multi-journaling cards paper, and then I have the red paper, which is from Bella Boulevard, Bella Besties, the Freehand Dot, and Macintosh. And that is just going to serve sort of as the base of my layout here. Okay, getting that down. And I've decided I'm going to use the star paper at the top. And that way I can do a little journaling spot, title spot, whatever I decide to do there. That is TBD as I go on with the layout. And just, another one where I've got, in this particular case, it's 11 photos on a 2-page spread. We take lots of photos. So they need to, I have a lot of layouts like this where it's sort of event-based, little bits of decoration and a lot of photos. But the kids, that's what they're going to want to see. The decoration is all nice and good, but the whole point is the photos here, right? His birthday. This birthday is kind of important because he had a very big surprise on this one. He found out that his mom was going to take him back to Disney like the next week as a reward. He was so good when we went to Disney with helping out with his little brothers and sisters. We walked over 100,000 steps, and he walked most of them. We had 3 stroller spaces and 4 kids. So he very, very rarely got to actually walk, and he was really so good and basically uncomplaining. As a matter of fact, the poor guy, one time he got in the stroller and I was pushing the stroller with I had 2 spots in the stroller, the double stroller I was pushing. He had his 3-year-old brother was in one, he hopped in one, and then we decided to go up. There's a big hill on either side of the castle at Disney World, and I wasn't pushing the 9-year-old up that, so I had him get out just after he'd gotten in, the poor guy. Anyway, so all the photos are down, and then I found this journaling card, and this is from Felicity Jane. And then I'm adding in this sticker that says Time to Party, which is going to serve as the title, and then that present sticker as well. And those are from the A Birthday Wish Boy element sticker sheets. There's the frames and tags and ephemera, which are the 2 die cut packs. I think I talked about those in the last video that I did. Just kind of looking to see what I can use here. There's a lot going on in each of these photos, so I don't have a lot of room for stuff. I do like the Let's Celebrate piece there. Kind of thinking about popping that up at the top there. So then I have kind of blue and blue. So blue, I found the cake and ice cream piece, and I put that right under where he's got his cake. So I'll pop that down. And then on the top, I decided to go with Birthday Boy on the top left there. Different color, something a little bit different. I did find that slice of cake sticker there, and that is again from the A Birthday Wish element sticker sheet. So I'm going to add that birthday boy up there. And then there's a little party hat here, and because the cake slice is up on Pop Dots, I'm also going to add that party hat up on Pop Dots as well. I'm still playing around with this present because it feels very blocky over there. I have a little bit of a corner sticking out of the journaling card, which I realize now I could have alleviated by just tucking the journaling card in a little bit. And I didn't want to lose space to journal, but I wouldn't have if I just pulled the journaling card up, because I have probably a good inch there, or 3/4 of an inch showing. Anyway, learn from my mistakes. Just push your journaling card in and pull it up if you need more space. So, and that would have been fine, because I could have even made it almost even with the top of the photos, actually. All right, I did find that little present sticker there, that on the top right of that journaling card, to kind of pull things in, and then on the left side, that "and many more" sticker, both came from the Bella Boulevard Sticky Mix Wish Big, and it's the boy collection cardstock stickers from Bella Boulevard. Now I want to add some little sprinkly things here, so I'm going to use these stars from the Ellie Studio Autumn Hearts and Stars mix, and there's different colors that are working really well with the colors in the layout. Plus there's different patterns, there's stripes and polka dots and that kind of thing. So I wanted to get a little bit of a mix of each of those in here. And then I did on the bottom left, I don't think I did this until later, I saw a "Happy Birthday to You" sticker on that a birthday wish boy sticker sheet. So I put that down on the bottom because it felt like I was missing something there. Like I have 2 areas of embellishment on the right side page, and I didn't have anything on the left on the bottom. And that just kind of finished off the layout for me a little bit more. You've got kind of even numbers of embellishment clusters, which you don't always need or want to do. But in this case, I decided to do it because it's like 3 areas of embellishment and then the journaling embellishment. It's not on there yet. Like I said, I'm pretty sure I did this after I shut the video off. So you'll still see that now in the still shot and the detail shots. Hope you guys are well. I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye.